So I've measured everything. Like I said, this is a one bowl cake mixture. Here I have my flour. My flour is 150 grams. I have my margarine or my butter, 150 grams. I have my eggs, 150. I have my strawberry flavor, half teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of my combo flavor. I have my sugar. I use 148 grams of sugar. Here I have my baking powder, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. It's the white vinegar that made it to fluff up like this. Just look like this. Then I have a dash of nutmeg, about 1/4 teaspoon of the nutmeg in here. So now, like I said, it's one bowl. So I'm going to be using my hand whisk to whisk everything together just at once.